How many moles of NH3 can be produced from 2.80 moles of nitrogen in the following reaction? So in this problem, we are given 2.80 moles of nitrogen. Nitrogen here refers to nitrogen gas. So that's N2. So we are given 2.80 moles of N2. And we are asked how many moles of NH3. So we are solving for the moles of NH3. Okay, so to answer this problem, we start with what is given to us. So we are given 2.80 moles of N2. And then you multiply it by the ratio between N2 and NH3. So to cancel the units, you need to put moles of N2 on the bottom. And then you need to put moles of NH3 on top. Okay, now look at the balance equation. What is the ratio between N2 and NH3? So as you can see, there's 1 N2 and there are 2 NH3s. So the ratio is, for every 1 N2, 2 NH3, or 1:2. So the moles of N2, the units would cancel out. And what's left is the moles of NH3. So that's our final unit. So moles of NH3. Okay, now all you have to do is to grab your calculator and solve the equation. So that's 2.80 times 2 divided by 1. And the answer is equal to 5.60 moles of NH3. Now, this is the answer to the question.